I got this old Murry lawnmower and the rope snapped for the drawstring, the pull string. So I got a replacement here from Hipa, and we're gonna go ahead and do that swap. This should be an exact fit for this Tecumseh engine that runs on this Murry. So let's go ahead and put that on. That's all it takes to take off the old one, is just 2 bolts. And now the new replacement should fit right in that same spot. And that's it, real easy install. Just 2 screws, one on the front, one on the back. And now you've got your pull starter completely replaced. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.